Hello there everybody. So today I'm going to be showing you my fake tan routine. I'm going to show you how to go from this beautiful porcelain pale skin to slightly more summer ready tan skin. So let's just get straight into it. First thing you're going to want to do is pick out an exfoliator. This one's from Soap and Glory. I also love the Ulta brand one, but whatever exfoliator, you can even use like an exfoliating mitt, whatever, you need something to exfoliate your skin. This one smells so good. Then if you prefer, shave your legs, underarms, wherever you prefer to shave. If you're going to shave, shave. So go ahead, hop in the shower, shave, exfoliate, and then we will be ready to go. So we are all clean and all of our dead skin has been exfoliated away. And then you're going to want to get into something I usually fake tan naked, but that is not safe for YouTube. So this lotion is by Camille Beckman. It is the Silky body cream. I love it. I'm almost out of it. Then we're going to use our fake tan. I use Loving Tan in dark. This is my favorite fake tan. It does not make me orange. It is so nice. Then you're going to take a healthy pump of lotion and you're going to want to place lotion on any rough spots of your skin. So your elbows, I do a little bit on my underarms as well, your knees, your ankles, and I don't fully rub this in. I kind of leave it like kind of glopped on, if that makes sense. So I just kind of slap a healthy amount of lotion again on those rough patches, and then I go through into my wrists and my hands as well. So just make sure, don't rub it in all the way, but just leave it nice and tacky. Then we're going to take 2 healthy pumps and start on our arms. So how I apply it is I usually do kind of stroking motions, and then once I get the bulk of it down, then I'll go kind of in circular motions and apply it to my skin. Make sure to get the back of your arms. You'll see later that I forgot a spot on on each of my arms. But this was my first time recording myself fake tan, so I'm gonna blame it on that. So anyways, I usually use about 2 pumps for each arm. I use about 1 for my chest, and then once I have the bulk of the fake tan off of my mitt, then I will go through and do my underarms, just so my underarms aren't like super dark. So again, 2 pumps for each arm, kind of stroking motions. I go up around my neck and I stop kind of at my chin line. Again, make sure to get the back of the arms and then the shoulders. I usually just don't fake tan my back because my shirts pretty much always cover my back. So if you have a boyfriend, significant other, something to get your back, that's fine, but I don't. So this is just what we're gonna do. We're gonna tan our belly, you know, and we're just going to apply. I use about 2 pumps for my stomach, and then I use about 3 pumps for each leg. And then again, we're going to kind of do stroking motions, and then once the bulk of it is on, do kind of, you know, circular spreadable motions. And then again, once the bulk of the product is off, that's when I'll go in and do my ankles. And then make sure to get the back of your legs. Make sure to look in the mirror and make sure that you're getting all the spots on the back of your legs. Get those kind of back of the knee crevices. Do all the things you need to do. Then for the face, I'm going to take just some moisturizer. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I'm going to take a healthy amount of this, and then I'm going to take about a half a pump of fake tan, and I mix it together just with my hands. I wash my hands straight afterwards, and then I just apply this straight to my face. I recently just started fake tanning my face. I was scared to, but it's been really good. It looks really, really uneven right now, but when I woke up in the morning, it was not nearly that bad. So go ahead and wash your hands so that way your hands don't turn orange. And then to tan our hands, I'm going to take again a pump of lotion and a half pump of Loving Tan, and we're just going to massage that into our hands. This actually works really, really, really well. If you're scared of it, just add more lotion than fake tan, but I also go down my wrists to make sure it blends. Then we're going to get into some fake tan clothes. Can you tell that this is my fake tan shirt? I don't know what happened, but it got so stained the last time. Then we're gonna go to bed and wait for this tan to develop. Here I am in the morning, slept in my tan, and we're looking pretty tan. So we're just going to shower off the guide color. Yes, I shower in sweatpants. And then voila, this is me all fake, tanned, and fresh. As you can see, I missed a spot on my arm. I also missed a spot on my upper arm. Again, this was my first time recording myself fake tanning. I'm blaming it on that. Then for fake tan care, you're going to want to lotion every single day, especially those rough spots, and I exfoliate about every other day to keep my tan looking even, and moisturizing really helps it to last longer. Then we're just gonna do a little get ready with me of my everyday routine. So I'm just going to leave everything listed down below and have you guys enjoy this get ready with me. Alright everybody, and this is the completed look and the completed tan. I love this fake tan. I use the Loving Tan Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in dark. It is so nice. It has never made me orange. It bottle lasts a decent amount of time. I do prefer the Deluxe Bronzing Mousse over the 2 Hour Express because I find the 2 Hour Express takes about 8 hours to fully develop anyway. So I just prefer applying this before bed and waking up and having a fresh tan. Make sure to just go back over any areas. Make sure to do it in a mirror so that way you can see the guide color. Because I was filming, I missed some spots, but learn from my mistakes and don't do that. Okay guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!